Ever lost an earbud mid-run? Or dealt with ear tips that feel like sandpaper? Meet my secret weapon. 4 pairs replacement ear tips for AirPods Pro. Compatible with AirPods Pro 1st and 2nd gen. Even the 2023 USB-C charging case. Noise-canceling magic. 2 noise reduction holes, just like the originals. Dust guard screen? Check. No more slipping out during workouts. Super comfy wear. High quality, soft silicone material, ultra lightweight for long-lasting comfort. Got a cleaning pen too. Double in design. One side brush, other side plush bristles. Clean your AirPods, phone, keyboard, and more. Comes with a storage box. 4 sizes, XS, M, L. Keeps your tips safe and clean. Enhanced noise reduction for clear audio. Secure fit with buckle hole design. Easy installation. No more hassle. Perfect for active lifestyles. Tech gadget owners, rejoice. Say goodbye to ear tip troubles. Get yours now. And keep rocking those AirPods Pro. Number Ear Tips Upgrade. Number AirPods Pro. Your ears will thank you. Product details and link are given in the description.